Don't kill my wife. Can we talk about why this dead guy would get pissed off at this thing? This dead guy, Samuel G. In 1888, he was the first to describe celiacs disease. Celiacs disease is an autoimmune disease which a person is exposed to gluten elicits immune response. Now, gluten is a protein that's found in wheat, barley, and rye, things like bread, beer. Now, when that person that has this disease takes in gluten or is exposed to gluten, that gluten is broken down by the digestive system into individual peptides. One of those peptides is gliadin, and gliadin can bind to a receptor known as an HLA-DQ2 receptor on immune cells. When gliadin binds to that receptor, it triggers an immune response. That immune response is basically inflammation of the GI tract, and one of the things that happens is the intestinal lining is sloughed off as a means to get rid of the damaged cells. That's a lot of digestive discomfort. Now, there are some other things that have been linked to the pathology of gluten exposure and celiac disease, things like epilepsy. So people who have severe reactions, like my wife, can have seizures when they are exposed to gluten because they have celiac disease. So when you advertise that this is gluten-free just because you use gluten-free bread, that's false advertisement. You take the bread out of the bag and it's exposed to all of the other bread that's been on the counter. Your workers don't change gloves when they go to use the gluten-free bread. When they make the sandwiches, they put their hands that just touched gluten bread into the toppings and then they would put that on the sub. So just because you use gluten-free bread doesn't mean that your subs are gluten-free. Don't kill my wife. Also, it's Halloween.